How did I not learn this sooner? An egg trick that everyone should know. I have 6 eggs here, and I'm going to start by mashing them. This makes them much easier to crush. We're going to make a delicious recipe. And this is a very simple way to make it. This filling turns out creamy and delicious. This will be a delicious egg filling. I found it more practical to place them inside this bag and mash them this way. Squeeze until the eggs are completely crushed. I've mashed them well. Look at them now, with very small pieces. I'm going to open the bag and now season these eggs. Now let's add lots of flavor. I'm going to add mayonnaise. I have about 150 grams of mayonnaise here. I'm going to add parsley and green onions, finely chopped green onions and cilantro. I'm also adding 1/2 teaspoon of salt and 1/2 teaspoon of black pepper. Now simply close the bag again. And now just mix everything with your hands. Squeeze well to mix the seasoning with the eggs. Mix until everything is fully combined. Keep doing this until the mayonnaise and seasonings coat all the eggs. The mayonnaise makes the filling creamier. We've mixed it well. Look at how it turned out. Now I'm going to squeeze it a little and close this end. Press tightly to seal the bag. Just place this here and squeeze to close the bag securely. Our filling is ready, and I'm going to set it aside. Now let's prepare our dough. I'm going to use bread. If you can find crustless bread, even better. But since I couldn't, I'm going to remove the crust. I've already removed the crust. Use a rolling pin to flatten the bread so it becomes thinner. The bread becomes thin and easy to fill. I'm going to roll out another one as well. This will be the dough for our savory snack. Now take our filling and place it in the center. I've added the filling, and I'm also going to add mozzarella cheese and moisten the edges. The cheese will melt inside. Brush just a little water around the edges and do the same with the other slice. Add a little water and place it on top. Now take a fork and press the edges closed. Press firmly so it won't open while frying. It's very practical, and you can do this sealing process quickly with a fork. Since we moistened the edges, it's much easier to seal. We've already made a few. Now dip them into beaten egg, coating them well. This coating makes the crust extra crispy. Then coat them in breadcrumbs to create a crispy crust. They're all breaded now, and I'm going to place them into hot oil to fry. Now just let them fry. One side is already golden, so I'm going to turn them all over. They're golden brown and very appetizing. I've already browned the other side. They're perfectly crispy. Look at our snacks, with that crispy, delicious crust. I'm going to cut one open to show you the creamy filling. It's amazing. Look at that creamy filling. Make them at home because you're going to love this recipe.